Hello friends, today I am going to unbox the wristband for Mi Band 2 HRX Edition. So let's start by unpacking this, which came from Amazon. As you can see that this band I have ordered from Amazon and you can find its link in the description below. Let's open the packet now. Here is the bill or some paperwork along with this nicely packed wristband. Here is some paperwork, and along with this nicely packed wristband in the authentic Mi pack wristband. The packet is pretty solid. Wristband is nice and feels solid. Its quality is good. It is made out of silicone. Now let's put my Mi Band fitness tracker inside of this band. It's pretty tight and looks that it will go very tough. It's very stiff. Okay, it feels pretty tight, which is a nice thing, and it fits amazingly and cannot come out of unwillingly. Feels good. Yeah, it fits very nice. Let's check out my watch is working correctly. The time, steps, distance that I've covered, calories that I've burned, and the battery. It shows everything. Works pretty good and feels good on the hand too. Here is the look of the packet that which it came. It's genuine Mi product with Mi logo and the website written on the packet too, Xiaomi.com. Nice packing.